together the garlic butter and my injection. So let's get started on that. Okay, what I'm going to do is calls for a stick of butter and 2 cloves of garlic, which would be 2 half teaspoons, so or thereabouts. Alright, calls for a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne. And we'll just put a dash of that. Calls for a dash of salt. It doesn't call for these 3 things, but I'm going to put a dash of oregano to go under the bird skin, a dash of thyme, and a dash of rosemary to get that underneath the skin. Doesn't even call for those, but I know some recipes do. This butter has been sitting out getting soft, so I just thought I'd use this potato smasher just to get it like I wanted it. And if you want to get your hands in it, go for it. Got it in my bowl. Mixed in pretty good, I think. I'm going to put it in this cling wrap right there. And you know what I'm going to do next. Alright, got it all out of there. Alright, we're going to cover it up, kind of put it all together there. Am I doing it right, Christy? Booger. All you ladies out there. Just make an attempt, right? And roll it up. There we go. Something like that. We'll put that in the fridge. There we go. Ta-da. If I can watch you do it one time, I think I can do it. I have fooled myself into believing that. Alright, I got my garlic butter here. And we're just going to go ahead and put this on. Just grab you a gob of it, spread it out in your hand, and just start rubbing it underneath that skin. You know, no rules, just get it under there. Just keep grabbing you some. Just make sure you get a little bit of it everywhere. Oh, this is fun. This is like playing in the mud. Get it all up in there, and then we're going to rub the whole bird down with it. Just stick it up under there, and you know what butter does once it heats up. It's going to melt all down in those places you can't get to. I'm going to go up under this thigh. Yeah, I got it loose. And actually all the way up to the leg. I'll poke some up under there. We're having fun now. Get on up in there. Swing it around. You didn't think you could do this, did you? You can do it. Get that all the way up underneath that leg. Use your thumb and just pinch it off your other hand. Yeah. Alright. It's gonna be good. Cover it back up. I didn't go up under the wings. We'll just put a nice coating on them. And now start just covering your bird with this butter, and then we're gonna have that baste we're gonna be basting it with. It's got more butter. Yeah. It ought to be a pretty golden brown turkey once we get through with it. Open it up, just get all up in there. I haven't even flipped it over. Let's see what the other side looks like. We got a little bit left. We'll be basting. You know, you can always take your olive oil, and of course that baste has olive oil. It's half olive oil, so we'll get it. Go with the injection. It's calling for 1/2 cup of chicken stock and 1 stick of butter. I can use this because it's got butter on it from the last thing I did. We'll just put that right there. It's got 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. I'm using Texas Pete, one of my favorites. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, here's the garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And here is the salt. Okay. And that's all. And now we've got it in this 1 quart pot. We're going to put it on the stove top and turn that down on a medium low. Alright, I'll be right back, you guys. I just found something that I won last year from Big Lou Barbecue giveaway. It's bear's butt rub. It's a real savory rub. This will be a good place to use some of this. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of this savory rub into this garlic butter. There you go, Lou. Y'all go check out Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. Check him out. You can see it didn't take very long for this to melt down and liquefy for my injection, for my turkey. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Chicken stock to this to make sure I got enough injection. Yeah, that'll be perfect. That's the good thing about chicken stock. It's the good equalizer. We got the bird back out. Been in the fridge for a while we were watching some football. I got the grill heating up. We were waiting for the right time. So, got my injector ready. This round pot won't allow my injector to fill up, so I'm going to pour it into this glass. So, you know what I'm saying? The holes in the injector will receive the liquid. Now, see the holes come up this high with that flat pot. Now, this is what I was looking for. Here we go. It's going to go in the breast. Just going to go in right here and move that out the way so I don't knock it over and make a happy place out of the kitchen. Just pull out a little bit. I can see it trying to come back out. As long as we get some in there, it doesn't have to be perfect. It'll be good. Put some down in this thigh. Oops, get all the holes down in there. I don't do this a lot, so you can tell I'm a little amateurish injecting. It's alright though. Go back in this breast area. On the top. Gonna be good. Mm-hmm. That's gonna make a difference, I do believe. Let's see. Make sure I got the thigh meat. Yeah. Alright, I think that's good enough. We got just about all of it. Alright, we're going to go out to the got the garlic butter done. We've got the injection done. Now this is going to be the basting mixture. Okay, it's calling for a cup of chicken stock. There we go with that. A cup of olive oil. Here we go in with that. Now I like these kind of recipes where you just dump it in. I call those dump recipes. Another stick of butter. Boy, we're gonna be in Butter City today. Janet's gonna wanna know, where's all my butter? Alright, down to the 1/4 teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of salt. I'll get another little dab of that. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Probably need another little dab of that. You know, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper is not enough for anything. Alright. 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Heaping. I like heaping. And last thing is a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. We'll stick with that because that's pretty strong. Alright. This is the base, so we're going to heat this up and let that get good and liquefied so we can baste this turkey in a little while. That's looking good. It needs